Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate team. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are here at the beautiful city of Maricopa. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 51480 West Mockingbird Lane.
All right, before heading inside this house in Maricopa, we wanted to share with you the perks of this large lot and some updates. Kevin, take it away.
Well, it's a corner lot. It's off of all paved roads, and this lot is just under 3.5 acres.
Wow, it's a huge lot, and one of the bigger benefits, it's silent.
It is. Do you hear that?
Nah.
That's the sound of you being able to hear yourself think.
So, another big benefit is that there's no HOA, and I heard that there's even horses allowed.
There are. This property is perfectly set up for it. It does have a little horse area in the back, as well as a tack room, and it does have running water and power back there as well.
Perfect. A couple of other big ticket items. There's also a separate detached garage, I noticed, and then any other benefits before heading inside.
Yes, this one has a separate fenced off area that I like to call the back 40. Perfect if you got horses, livestock of any kind. That is just absolutely perfect for that, as well as this property does come with the tuff shed, and it has hookup for an RV as well.
Nice.
Yep.
A lot of stuff with this lot. Now, without further ado, let's go take a peek at the inside. Welcome to the inside of this beautiful house in Maricopa. Kevin, let's talk specs first. Take it away.
Well, it's a single story, 2,500 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Perfect. And I know there's a lot of extra features as well.
There is. This one has the open concept that everybody's looking for. It has a separate family room and living room, and has a desk area. What do you think that'd be perfect for?
Kids that love to do homework, or maybe someone that works from home. And as far as the upgrades go, what does that include?
Well, they just put brand new carpet in this one, painted the inside and the outside as well, and replaced some fixtures too.
Perfect. Very nice, clean and move-in ready house. Are you ready to show them the backyard now?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. All right, last but not least, we have 2 more big ticket items we want to share with you, and then we'll let you go. We promise. Kevin, what do you have?
Well, the first big one is really big. It's all the mountains that are around here. There's one directly behind us. The second one would be the trails to ride your horses on or your ATVs.
Love it. Beautiful views, very silent, large lot. What else could you ask for?
Absolutely nothing.
Awesome. Now, if they want to set up a showing, what's the easiest way to do that?
Well, call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.